Your competitor just dropped their price or started a promotion. Do you know what that's doing to your listing right now? Most sellers don't. They just see the price drop and they guess. Stick around because at the end of this, you're going to see exactly what happens, and there's going to be a deal for you if you're not using DataDive just yet. Hi, I'm Lauren Curet, Customer Success here at DataDive, and I get the privilege of speaking to some of our 10,000 plus customers on a daily basis. One thing that keeps coming up: sellers know that their competitors are moving, but they have no idea what that actually means for their own numbers. They see the alert, they see the price drop, and then nothing. So we built something for that. We've rolled out a new impact review feature for Competitor Price Tracker, and it answers the question sellers have been asking us for months. Okay, they dropped their price, but what happened to me? Because here's the thing. A price drop for your competitor isn't just news for them. It's potentially your problem. And up until now, there was no real way to measure that. Here's how it works. When you add a competitor to track, you can now link one of your own products. Same marketplace, one click. It is optional, but here's the catch. If you want to see the actual impact later, this step is non-negotiable. No link, no measurement. So if you care about the what happened to me part, don't skip this step. Once a competitor drops their price or runs a promotion, we don't react instantly because instant data sometimes lies. Rankings and conversions shift day to day for all kinds of reasons. React too fast and you're just chasing noise. So we wait 5 days. We quietly analyze what happened to your linked products, ranking and conversion rates during that window. 5 days. Then the truth. Let's make this real. Say you're tracking a competitor's listing and it just dropped from $56.81 to $48.25. That's a 15% cut. Or maybe they just kicked off a promotion. The moment that happens, it lands in your feed. And this whole feed is brand new. Think of it as your alerts feed's smarter sibling, built specifically for competitor events. One glance tells you how many days until your review is ready, if you're missing rank radar, which means no impact analysis yet, or if you haven't linked a product at all. No digging, no wondering. And if something's missing, we're not just going to flag it and leave you stuck. We'll guide you straight to the fix. 5 days later, notification. The review is ready. Open it up and see how that competitor's move hit your rankings and conversion rate. Real numbers, real impact. No more guessing whether that price drop mattered. You'll just know. We didn't stop there. 2 more things. The Manage Competitors page got a full revamp. It now clearly shows you at a glance if anything needs setup across the competitors you're tracking. And there's a brand new events history table. Every single event that's ever happened with your tracked competitors and the impact it had, all in one place, forever searchable. So 6 months from now, when you want to know how your competitor's Black Friday promo actually hit you, it's right there. So remember what I said at the beginning of this video? Here's the payoff. If you're not tracking your competitors' every move like this yet, you're flying blind while they're not. Somebody right now is watching what a price drop does to your rankings before you even know it happened. And without this feature, you'd never even know to look. Here's the good news. You don't have to keep guessing. We're giving you a free trial to try this yourself. The link's in the comments below. There's no catch. Go link a competitor, then link your product. Let DataDive watch the next 5 days for you. And when that notification comes in, you'll know exactly what that price drop cost or didn't cost you. Don't wait for the next price drop to find out what it cost you. Click the link, start tracking, stop guessing.